In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot for lead generation. Let's dive right in and explore how you can leverage HubSpot's powerful tools to attract and convert potential leads more effectively. First things first, open HubSpot and make sure you're logged into your account. Logging in ensures you have full access to all the tools and features needed to drive your lead generation strategy. Once you're in, direct your attention to the Content tab. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on Content will set you up to efficiently create and manage all your content marketing activities, which are absolutely crucial for pulling in new leads. Think of it as your digital workshop where you can build the narrative around your brand that will captivate your target audience. Next, you're going to locate and click on Blog. This is a built-in tool within HubSpot that allows you to create and publish articles designed to attract visitors, share insights, and enhance your website's SEO. Essentially, it works like an online journal for your business, a space to post valuable content like guides, important updates, or intriguing industry news that not only informs your audience, but also builds trust over time. At this stage, you have two choices for content creation. You can either tap into AI assistance or start from scratch. For today, we'll select Start from Scratch. By doing this, you give yourself a fresh canvas and full creative control. Once you've clicked Start, go through the options presented next. This will help you set up and organize your blog efficiently while focusing on crafting engaging content that's aimed at catching the eye of potential leads visiting your site. As you commence writing, remember the significance of clarity and purpose in your communication. The more relevant the content you create, the more likely it is to attract the right audience. Engaging, informative, and well-targeted content is the backbone of effective lead generation, and it's essential that your audience finds value in what you offer. So take your time to understand their needs, pain points, and interests, and tailor your content to address those. Additionally, consistency is key. Regularly posting fresh, valuable content not only helps in retaining your audience's interest, but also positions your brand as a reliable source of information. Over time, this will strengthen your position in the market and increase your chances of converting visitors into loyal customers. With these steps and tips in mind, you're all set to make the most of HubSpot's blogging tool for generating leads. Embrace the process, and soon you'll see how your efforts can transform your audience's engagement with your brand. Thanks for joining me today, and happy blogging.